Before this video begins, I want to make a quick announcement. On May 27th, 2017, in Southern California, by the way, the place is only 1 hour away from me, technically more like 56 minutes, but still 1 hour, and I'm competing in one main event, which is 3x3, because what would a competition be without 3x3? There are also some tentative events, which means that if they have time, they'll do them. I'm doing Scube. Now, the main reason I'm doing Scube is because I do not know Square-1 parity. The irony in this video. If you know 3x3 notation, it's completely different than Square-1 notation. 3x3 notation looks like this. Square-1 notation looks like this. Square-1 notation is really simple once you learn what it means. If you look at the Square-1 algorithm, which is just a scramble algorithm, which I have on CS Timer right now, it says the first is 4, 0 in parentheses. The slashes in between every parentheses are a 180-degree turn on the slash, because this right here looks like a slash. The way you hold the Square-1 is you hold it like this, with the small piece to the left and the large piece to the right. Holding it like this is wrong because you won't be able to do algorithms correctly. The first number corresponds to the top layer, the second number corresponds to the bottom layer. The corner pieces right here are 2 units, and the edge pieces are 1 unit. The way the Square-1 works is pieces are held onto there like this, and they just slide around a bar. First step of Square-1 is to get back into cube shape, like this. Second step is to orient the corners, like that. Third step is to orient the edges. Next is to permute the corners. Second to last step is to permute the edges. Now, in some cases, this is the last step. And then the last step is to solve parity if you get it. I luckily did not get it, but I got this. The easiest way to do cube shape is to line up these edges in pairs. So I've got a pair right here and a pair right there. I'm just going to put those together. Now I can't actually do that, but I have these two pieces right across from each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring those up in place of the pair, bring the pair around, and then I still can't do it. Okay, I'm not getting any luck, so I'm just going to go ahead and split the pair up. And I got lucky and got another one in there. So I'm going to put the pair up there and move them out of the way. I've got 4 down here now. I'm just going to replace those. Bring them over. I'm trying to get pairs right now. So there I got a pair right there. When I bring these back up, I'm going to go ahead and bring that pair down. Bring the pair up. And right here you can get one of 3 cases. 2 of them are easy, and the last one is a little complicated, but still easy. This is one of the cases in which you just move these all over to this half, and you bring those up. Next case you can get is 2 edges. The last case you can get is like an L shape, in which you want to bring this over to 0, and you want to push this pair out. Bring this over so that these 2 pairs are here. These 2 are here. You want to bring the pair right here over to the back, right here. You want to bring that up, push these over, and then you got the first case. After you have all 8 edges around like this, you want to bring it 4 over here and 4 over here, split them in half. Bring them over so you can split them in half again. Bring these so you can split these, and these so you leave the pairs. And then you bring these so that these two are facing right here, like that. Next is corner orientation, which is mostly intuitive. Right here I see I can pair this corner up with that corner, and I see I have these two corners down here, which I'll just go ahead and go like that. You can figure this out on your own. When you're on your last stage, you can have 2 or 3 edges, or 1, 2, 3, or 4 edges in the wrong side. In this case, I only have 1, which I got lucky. So there's an algorithm to the start of this. I don't know the end of it, which I just do intuitively. So you put one edge right here and the other edge right under it. So right here and right here. Right here. You hold them to the right. So if you have it like this, you want to bring this over to the right. And you do 1, 0, slash, -3, 0, slash, -3, 0, slash. You do -1, -1, slash. And then I bring this over. Bring this one over so I can keep it in cube shape. Slash. Then bring these back over here and those back up. And that's how I do it. Right here is when you'll need to know this algorithm to swap the layers. The algorithm is slash 6 6 slash. What that did was it put the white side, which was on the bottom, on the top, and the yellow side, which was on top, on the bottom, so it just swapped the layers. Next step is to permeate the corners. So what you do is, if you have a set of headlights, which I have on this layer, you want to put them towards the back. It's kind of like this, a perm, where you hold where you have the headlights to the back, and then you do the algorithm. You want to hold the headlights to the back. If you don't have any headlights, then you can just hold it at any position, doesn't matter, and just do the algorithm. Slash 3, -3, slash, -3, 0, slash, 0, 3, slash, 0, -3, slash, 0, 3, slash. What you're going to do is you want to permeate the edges. What this next algorithm does is it swaps these two edges and the opposite edges on the bottom. The algorithm is -2, 0, slash, 3, 0, slash, -1, -1, slash, -3, 1, slash. Right here you may be done, but you may also have parity. The parity algorithm swaps this like that does. So I always make sure it's misoriented when I start parity algorithm. It is as follows: slash, -3, 0, slash, 0, 3, slash, 0, -3, slash, 0, 3, slash, 2, 0, slash, 0, 2, slash, -2, 0, slash, 4, 0, slash, 0, -2, slash, 0, 2, slash, -1, 4, slash, 0, -3, slash, 0, 3. After this, you should have a solved Square-1. If this is misoriented, you can go ahead and do this algorithm. Slash, 6, 0, slash, 6, 0, slash, 6, 0. If you get this case where you have the blue bar right here and the green bar right here, you have no idea you did everything right. The layers are just swapped. So just do that layer swapping algorithm, which is slash 6 6 slash